Hello viewers, this is an introduction to my HTML5 tutorial. Before I continue, I would like to say that if you want to learn how to design a website, you need to learn HTML. In this video and upcoming videos, we are going to study from scratch how to design a website using HTML. When we talk of HTML, what is an HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. That is, HTML is a language that makes it possible to present information onto the internet. Every web page is made up of HTML. This is to say that all web pages all over the world consist of an HTML. HTML is not a programming language like Java, C++, Python, and others, but HTML is a markup language. Before you start to write an HTML, what are the things that you need? Before you start to write HTML, there are two things that you need. First of all, you need a text editor, and secondly, you need a web browser. These are the only two things that you need to get started with HTML. When we talk of a text editor, what is a text editor? A text editor is an editing tool that makes it possible for us to write an HTML document. HTML can be edited by using professional HTML editors like Sublime Text, Brackets, Visual Studio Code, Notepad or Text Edit, Notepad++, Atom, etc. But as a beginner of HTML, I would recommend Notepad++. It is free to download and install, and it is also easy to use. Web browsers. When we talk of a web browser, what is a web browser? Web browsers are software applications for retrieving, presenting, and traversing information resources on the web. So when we talk of a web browser, it's any application that allows you, the user, to access the internet. It's a web browser. The major web browsers are Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge, Opera Mini, Safari, others also, and a whole lot. We also have UC browsers and others. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to use Google. In our next video, we are going to download and install Notepad++, and we are going to start to save our HTML. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you.